I'm Trevor Lowe, and my business is ISS Limited, and we are independent distributors with Amway. Amway is the world's largest direct sales company, and so we're involved in the multi-level or network marketing industry. We've used PRB for almost as long as I can remember. In fact, we have been involved in the Amway network marketing business for 35 years and have used PRB all of that time. And in fact knew about PRB even before then, having started as our very first accountants in business with Martin Pollens, who is a founder of PRB. The reason that we were attracted to using PRB was the fact that obviously we'd known them for a while, but because of their straightforward efficiency in dealing with our questions and the things that needed to be done, got done. We use PRB obviously for the production of our accounts each year, for dealing with our VAT returns, but also more extensively for advice in terms of tax planning, and in our particular case in looking at the desirability of incorporating our business. We actually started as a partnership but have incorporated relatively recently. And advice on that type of subject is really important, especially from somebody who knows and understands the industry. In my view, it's very important to use an accountant that is familiar with network marketing business, because, well, quite frankly, the revenue are not that experienced, and they need specialists even sometimes to advise them. I think it's actually happened that the revenue have actually called PRB to ask for their opinion in certain circumstances. And that certainly applies to VAT calculations, because that can be quite a stumbling block for HMRC. So the important thing to remember is when you're involved in the network marketing business, that you use a specialist accountancy firm. What we like particularly about the service we get from PRB is its reliability and its promptness. They are really good at getting back with answers to queries and in dealing with matters in a timely manner, and you really can't ask for a whole lot more than that. Well, PRB are different to other accountants because of that long-term experience that they have, and as I've already said, we have been with PRB for 35 years, and that has built up quite a wealth of understanding and knowledge about the industry. And in fact, it's worth pointing out also that PRB regularly come to our training events to talk to the people within our business about how they should be handling their tax affairs and their accountancy matters. I most certainly would recommend PRB to others, and I do on a regular basis. The experience is the important thing in my view, and when you add that to overall efficiency and reliability, you've got a perfect combination.